To begin your sun salutation, inhale to upward salute and exhale to forward fold. Inhale to step one foot back, lift heart center, hips forward. Exhale to downward facing dog. Inhale to plank. Place your wrists under your shoulders, straighten your knees, and leave the engage your core to support your spine. Exhale to four-limbed stop pose. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale to downward facing dog. Inhale to low lunge. One foot back, lift your heart, forward fold, inhale. And this is how we end our sun salutation.